And again, just watching, because as this is moving around this too, we need to just keep dabbing a little bit over that nose area, which it seems to be running to. And then I'm going to use a little bit of hairdryer now to just steer this.
Was that blue an ink or watercolor? That blue.
That was an ink. That was an ink, but you can use watercolor. So I'm coming in with the air from this side because I want to basically blow away from that area and soften that there. We need a bit more color. We need a bit more depth color above the eye as well. So I'm just going to try while I'm doing this to push that tea over that one and just steer it in there. You just want to keep this area that little bit darker. So as that tea is getting slightly darker as we work now. Okay, so we've got the hairdryer on super hot and we're partially blocking the airflow very carefully so we don't set fire to everyone. Okay, we don't want to dry it. We don't want to dry this completely either, but I don't want it quite as wet as it is now. And then I'm going to introduce small amounts of the red and yellow. This area, just tiny, tiny bits at a time. I'm mixing that in with the tea. Try and dry this out here, and then before that dries there, that harder, just lift a little bit of that again. There we go. Just